Piece is painted on a wet strength cartridge. It's been pre-primed with clear gesso and a layer of orange acrylic. I put in the horizontal line and the vertical line for the placement mainly of the vase itself. So going in here with black gesso, keeping it really loose with blocks of soft pastel, just basically thinking about shapes. Here I've blended it with a piece of foam core just to fill in those areas of texture on the paper, re-establishing my shapes with charcoal. This is something I do quite often. Then I go back into it with more pastel. So here I've used Schminky, Unison, New Pastel, and again, redefining those areas with charcoal. Blocking, playing, it almost becomes quite cubist in certain areas, but I'm going with this. This is a drawing practice in the studio, so it's not necessarily going to be a finished piece. Bringing in some really citrus lemon, just to balance the contrast, and again, more layers of New Pastel and line, a lot of line in this piece, something I really enjoy doing. And for the most part, it's fine. Probably I might have overdone the linear aspect to it, but I really enjoyed the drawing. I then I segmented this. There's areas of the piece that I really enjoyed. And I think if you look more closely, you can see my decision making, not only about colour, but about texture, about line. Yeah, so I really enjoyed cropping this down into, I think I got 4 individual compositions which become more abstract and more based around mark making. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, informative, and I look forward to seeing you again.